is scoring consecutive points. Jov Gonzaga, there you go, lefty for lefty. And that spike of the set brought to you by Duncan Pasalu. Joust won by Zeus. Play continues here. It's really good blocking by Krish Makaslang, and Troncoso with a sharp cross picked up by Nexled. Troncoso one more time. How about the blocking of Nexled? Very persistent.
Yeah.
Never say die attitude ng Nexled.
Oo, ang ganda ng kanilang net defense. Good serve again.
And look at Jov Gonzaga taking care of business for Zeus, getting the ball back.
So there's a huge opening in the cross court for Jov Gonzaga. Take a look at that.
Now from the other side, still to Permentilla. Takes care of that one. And it's called inside. Coach Atori is not happy about that call because he came in at the second set and she has not looked back. That was an over reception, still covered by Pineda. And good presence of mind by Jov Gonzaga. That moves.
Yeah.
Says. Napatiklop pa yung katawan ni Jov Gonzaga. You know, it's amazing to watch Jov.
Layo ng first ball.
A broken play for Zeus. And Jov Gonzaga timing it. Ayun talaga yung sinasabi niya, hindi namimili ng set.
Oo. But yun din, yun nakita natin.
Easily, 25-19.
Oh,
lalim. Bao
Yeah.
naman yun.
Pero iniwas ni Jov yung attack niya sa kanyang blocker.
Far away from injury as possible. Chai. Stopped by Nexled there. Gonzaga! That was a tough one. Oh. Good decoy si Kit Makaslang there. Ayan na naman. At the blocking.
Oh, good defense.
Oh, wow, great pickup by Maraguinot. Back row, Gonzaga.
Oh,
Hindi yun nahabol. Doon pa si Jov Gonzaga.
Arroyo for the block.
Almost. Again, Aldea really has a hard time picking up the balls of
Pwesto ng mga receivers nitong Nexled.
And the broken play here, but Permentilla will hit it anyway.
Oh!
That gets past her.
Yeah. Di siya nakapwesto for get the defense.
Oh, that escapes Bang Pineda. It's going to be a free ball. Another chance for Zeus. Oh, yung pitik talaga nung bola ni Jov Gonzaga. I stand corrected. Di pala nakuha ni Atienza, no? Okay.
Good first ball. And a set by Maraguinot.
And Gonzaga again. Kahit yung pinakamahihirap na bola, naku-convert pa rin.
Oh, too low, but still.
Pasok pa rin. Ivy Perez almost there. Good read by Zeus Almonte. Good rebound. Zeus will go again. Gonzaga from the right pin. And she is dangerous from that point. Bionic Ilongga ni Jov Gonzaga. Joust won by the smaller mga labnan. Permentilla is blocked. And that's something that's been happening also. Si Permentilla.
And maganda din yung pinoint ni Coach Itori doon na hindi mo kailangan na sobrang gandang laro. As long as gumalaw lang kayo na maayos as a team and basahin nyo yung mga attackers ng kalaban, makakapwesto kayo na maayos.